Hello and welcome back. Do you enjoy having poundo and would like to know how to make the flour at home? In today's video, I'll be showing you the proven simple method that works every time. Stay tuned till the end. Transforming fresh yam into poundo flour is a delightful culinary experience that begins with selecting the right yam. Choose firm, healthy yam tubers, avoiding any that appear soft or blemished. The freshness of the yam plays a crucial role in the quality of the poundo flour, so take your time in selecting the best. Once you have selected your yam, the next step is to wash it thoroughly. Use clean water to scrub away any dirt or impurities from the surface. After washing, peel the yam carefully, removing the outer skin to reveal the white flesh inside. As you peel, be mindful of the shape of the yam. Cut it into manageable pieces. With the yam peeled and cut, it's time to boil. Fill a pot with enough water and submerge the yam pieces completely and bring it to a rolling boil. This step stops the yam from browning. Drain the yam pieces and let them cool. Cut into thin slices using a food processor or handheld slicer or knife. Using a dehydrator or an oven at low temperatures, dry the yam pieces until they are completely moisture-free. Now grind the dried yam into a fine powder using a grain mill or food processor. Finally, sieve the flour to eliminate any larger particles, if any, guaranteeing a silky smooth poundo flour that's perfect for cooking. Your homemade poundo flour is now ready to be used, allowing you to enjoy the traditional taste of poundo yam wherever you are. To make the poundo fufu, add the poundo flour into boiled water and mix on low heat until it solidifies. Enjoy with any soup of choice. Thanks for watching. Catch you all on next video.